Hello food lovers. Today we will show you the safety features and the washing system of a Lakidis PLV900L vacuum double paddle mixer. First of all, let's see an overview of the machine. First safety feature is the emergency button. While the machine is working, when you press the emergency button, the machine stops. While you pull the emergency button, the machine starts again. And safety feature is when you open the cover of Easy Clean system, the machine stops. When you close the cover, the machine starts working again. Third safety feature is when you take off the bin, the machine stops. When you put it back, the machine starts again. Fourth safety feature is when you open the bowl's cover, the machine stops. When you close it, the machine starts again. Fifth safety feature is when you open the Easy View system, the machine stops. When you close it, the machine starts again. Sixth safety feature is when you load the bin and you press the emergency button, the loader stops. You have to pull the emergency button and press the loader's button to start loading again. Seventh safety feature is when you open the inspection stair, the loader does not allow you to take down the bin. You have to close the inspection stair to take the loader's bin down again. Eighth and new safety feature is the side cover. Nth safety feature is for the washing system, and this is the emergency button on the bowl. During washing the machine, 2 users are necessary to handle this. First user presses the side buttons on user's controllers, and the second user is on the inspection stair, washing the bowls and the paddles. For safety reasons, when the second user trying to get closer into the bowl pushes this emergency button with the body, and the machine stops. Thanks for watching.